Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to adjust the basic setting for this watch, Casio WS1600H. And now, first in the timekeeping mode, we can set the time and date, and to do that, press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one, okay? And now we will see that the second is blinking. If we press the start button, it will become 0. And if the second is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. But if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. So for example, this one, it will become 0 without additional minute. And for 30, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. Okay, now let me press the mode button to move to the next item to set, and that is this one, the daylight saving time. And we can set as on or off, but this one I will set as off. I'm living in an area without daylight saving, okay? And then next, press again the mode button to move to the next item, and that is this one, the city or the time region. You can press the start button to move the time region to the right side of the map. So this one, Singapore, Hong Kong, and so on, okay? And then you can press the light button to move to the left side of the map. But we cannot see the map here, unlike the AE1200. So yeah, you will need some Google Maps or Globe or something if you want to have a reference, okay? And yes, after that, we can press again the mode button to move to the next item, and that is the hour, okay? And we can use these two buttons for this one. The light button on the top right will decrease the number, okay? It's like counterclockwise, okay? And then if we press the start button, it's like the clockwise, so it will add 9 and so on, 9, 10 and so on, okay? And then again press the mode button to move to the next item, and that is the minute. And yes, we can use the light button and the start button to change the value. So this one, 3, okay? And then like this, or you can press the start button to increase the minute. And then again press the mode button to change to this one, the year. And yes, you can use these two buttons, light to decrease and start to increase, okay? Again mode button. Now is the month. We can use the light button to decrease, and then the start button to increase. Again mode button. And now the date, this one will decrease, the light button, and then the start button will increase, and so on, okay? And then press again the mode button. Now we are returned to the second setting. And yes, if you're done with the setting of the time, then you can press the adjust button once to exit from this adjust mode. And that's it. The day will appear automatically, depends on the year, month, and date. So you don't need to set Monday, Tuesday, and so on. It will use the calendar inside the program of the watch. And then next, let's also set the world time. And to do that, press the mode button several times until we are in this world time mode, WT, okay? And then this will show the city. You can press the start button to change the city here. But anyway, you cannot use the light button to switch the city, okay? This will still function as a light button, so wait a moment, like this. And then for this world time, you can adjust this one only, the daylight saving. But to do that, just press and hold the adjust button. So if you press and hold, it will activate like this, or it will deactivate like this. And the time itself will reflect from the time that we use in the setting of the timekeeping mode, this one, okay? And then the next setting that sometimes people set for their new watch is the alarm. And to do that, from this timekeeping mode, press the mode button several times until you see this one, the ALM, alarm, okay? And then you can press the adjust button to set the alarm time. Press and hold, okay? And now it shows this one blinking. So you can use the light button to decrease, and then start button to increase. Okay, so you might want to set, let's say 5:30, okay, 5 for the hour. And then to switch to the minute, you can press the mode button like this, okay? And then press the start button to increase, or the light button to decrease. And now let me set to 5:30. And that's it, 5:30. And then we can exit from this alarm adjust mode by pressing the adjust button on the top left. And yes, it's already set for 5:30 in the morning, the alarm will goes off. And another setting that you can use in the alarm is which feature will be active. So is it going to be the alarm only, or hourly signal, or both on or both off? So to select that one, press this one, the start button on the alarm mode. So this one, as you can see here, it means the alarm is active 5:30 in the morning. And then press the start button again. It will show this one, the chime or the bell. It means this is the hourly chime, meaning that every changing of the hour, like 7, 8, 9 and so on, it will make a beeping sound. Okay, but the alarm is not active. Then if you press again the start button, both will be active. So this one on the left is the alarm, and on the right side is the signal, hourly signal or chime. And then if you press again, both are not active. Okay, but for this one, let me just activate the alarm like this, and yes, done. And that's it for the setting of the alarm. Now we can press the mode button to change to the timekeeping mode. And one more thing, sorry, you can also switch from 12-hour to 24-hour format by pressing this one, the start button on the right side on timekeeping mode. So like this one. Okay, and yes, that's all. I hope this tutorial is useful. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye.